Hey guys, this is ArtSea and today I'm doing a short tutorial on the suicide drop. Okay, so to do the suicide drop, you're going to hold the knife like this, okay? And you're going to be gripping it between your thumb and index finger. And honestly, it doesn't really matter which way you hold it. You could hold it like this, you could hold it like this. Either way, it doesn't matter. But you should know that this trick ends up landing a lot on the blade tip. There's many times where I've caught this wrong. It's pretty unpredictable, so I just want you to know maybe you want to use something that's not sharp or a trainer. I'm using the wave right here. This is a non-sharp one. So this trick can be hard or easy. It depends. Some people get it right away, some people don't. So you're going to be snapping the knife like this. So it's going to this side. So you're snapping your fingers in the air while throwing the knife, okay? So I'm snapping it this way. So another good tip is that you're going to be holding the knife level to your face. So if your face is here, the knife is in front of you here, and you're going to be throwing it above your face level and then catching it back around your face level. So that's the best way to do this. It's a lot harder to do it if you're doing it close to the ground and you're looking downward. I don't know why, but it never works out for me when I do it that way. So I like to hold it right near my face level and throw it up and then catch it at my face level. So let's see the throw. So a good thing to practice before even trying to catch the knife would be to just throw it and watch how it goes and just let it drop onto the ground, okay? So you're gonna throw and snap at the same time, right? And you don't want to do it too hard. So if you do it too hard, it looks like that. And in the air, the two handles like clink together and you're not going to be able to catch it really well. So you don't want it to be too light or too much. So you want to make it like a medium snap. So once you throw the knife, right, you're going to snap it in the air and it's going to go like this. And you want to catch it like this. You could catch it like this or like this, whichever way, but it should be with the blade facing down, the handle in your hand like this. If you catch it like this, you caught it wrong. And it does take a while because I know when I first started, it just kept landing like this. And again, how I got it to land like this was by holding it face level to me and throwing it up and having it come down. That is the only way I got it to work. So the trick should look like that, right there. So you see how it went up and it came down and it landed like this. Again, you could land like this or like this. But that's the orientation you wanted in. Also, thanks you so much to my Patreons. I love to help you guys out in every way that I can, especially Tier 3 and Tier 4 Patreons. I have lessons with people in Tier 3 and Tier 4, and they get a private tutorial, so it's really nice for them. Please like, subscribe, and comment below any questions you have, and I'll make sure to answer. Or you could DM me on Instagram. My Instagram's right here, and I will get back to you within 2 weeks.